Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobbelt. I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking about the blackcurrant variety. You now think, how can I talk about the blackcurrant variety? That's very boring, but this variety is not boring. That's Blackcurrant Premier, and it's the first ever variety, blackcurrant variety with red leaves. So we are adding to the fruit quality ornamental quality, and that's a little bit one of the specialities of Lubera, to combine fruit quality with ornamental quality. Think about the double pleasures strawberries, which are very new. Think about the red love apples. Think about the foreberries. Everywhere we have added ornamental value to fruit value, and this, it's the same, red-leafed currants. So the leaves become red during June, July, are full red middle of July, and then through the summer and autumn till late autumn with a very nice intensive red autumn coloration. And they're becoming red due to the sun. So only where the leaves are coming to the sun, they are becoming red. So inside the leaves are green, outside they are red. And that's very important that you plant the shrub, the black and red shrub, in the full sun so that the leaves are becoming red. So from a stepdaughter of the garden, which is behind the house in the north, in the shadow, and is forgotten the whole year only for picking a little bit of blackcurrants. The blackcurrant, as Blackcurrant Premier, becomes a little star in your garden. So it needs full sun, and it needs full attention for the fruit, which are very sweet, and also for the leaves. So I think it's a very nice addition to the garden, with a very nice, very sweet aroma. There, of course, we have bigger fruits on black marble. We have longer streaks on black bells. But this one is very sweet, like the other varieties too, and has the ornamental value. Go on gardening, don't forget black currants. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.